Alright, so we've got a 2005, sorry, scratch that, 2008 Nissan Altima with a bad wheel bearing. And if you take a look at my dash, you'll notice it's got a bad dash too, because I got some carpet up there so that it don't glare all over me. If you have an Altima, you're probably familiar with this problem because most cars have it. However, that's Flex Seal, and I'm fixing to do this whole thing in Flex Seal, so stay updated with my channel and you'll be able to see that here soon. And back to this wheel bearing. I'm gonna take off, see if you can hear this wheel bearing. I don't know if you can or not in video. Just listen to one on YouTube and I couldn't hear it, so I want to see if we could hear mine on video. Hopefully you can, because it's super loud inside the car. It's pretty sketchy sounding. So here we go. That's not it, that's rumble strips. But now you should be able to hear it. So that's about 75, 80 mile an hour. Hopefully you can hear that. If not, that sucks. Stay tuned for the plasti dip. Sorry, not plasti dip, Flex Seal on the dash, because it's going down. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. Maybe not. Anyways, toodles.